Hi everyone, I'm back again from the future. So today's video we go to the Windmills in Kinderdijk in the Netherlands, and then we make our way to Cologne finally for New Year's Eve. I'm popping in here because I didn't really explain much in some of my vlogs, so I thought I would sort of take you through this video so you know what the hell is going on. Because we had to get up really early in the morning, we ended up getting room service. We ordered so much stuff because the night before we'd been drinking, and we just put our orders in and put it on the door. We got waffles, I got an omelette, we got eggs, we got fruit, we got meat, we got cheese, we got salmon, we got drinks, orange juice. We got so much stuff, it was ridiculous. I felt really bad afterwards. And then we went and explored the Windmills of Kinderdijk. We did like a little walking tour. A local took us around and told us all about the windmills. They were really nice and it was really pretty and scenic, and I really loved walking around and being there. But the tour guide did go on and sort of ramble on about absolutely everything that you could think of about windmills. So after a while I just took my earpiece out and I just enjoyed being there. But it was really weird because we had to go and do like this tour in the actual building first and watch this movie about the history and stuff like that, which I'm definitely interested in. But it was really weird. They had like all these different screens with different people talking, obviously people that were involved in the windmills back then, and it was just really bizarre.
Beste mensen.
Sorry people, we are complete, so if it's not too much trouble, let's start the show.
U heeft gelijk. Even stoppen met het gekibbel. Laat mij daar beginnen om het verhaal te vertellen.
Ja, mijn beste, ik moet sowieso even als lang maar zo.
Just gone and seen the windmills at Kinderdijk. What did you think, Leah?
Very, very windmilly. Lots of canals
and
water,
lots of information,
yeah, bit of information
about
overload.
Windmills. Apparently 13 kids used to live in one of those windmills, obviously with their parents, not just some random kids. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the ship, and I think we leave for Cologne after this. I don't think we've got anything planned this afternoon. This is where we were, looking at the windmills. And now our ship's on a beautiful river. This is the Debussy and the Mulder. We haven't gone up the top yet though. It's probably been a bit cold, but maybe we'll go up there soon. It might be like a pop-up bar, but you know, it's winter. We just got back from our windmill walking tour, so I'll just show you our current view. So when we went on our brewery tour yesterday, we actually made friends with another couple, and also a mum and son duo as well. So we made friends with them, and obviously because we went to the brewery tour, we were a bit tipsy. When we came back here, we all sat around and had a few drinks, and then we also had dinner together. I have been chilling out and napping and snoozing all afternoon. It's now 10 minutes to 4 o'clock. We had a nice lunch as well in the bistro. I had some really nice, I think it was like German pasta, I don't know, that's what the auntie told me. And some soup as well, some nice pumpkin soup. We also had some nice chips, so we've had a lot of food for lunch. We left Kinderdijk at about lunchtime, and then we won't get to Cologne until lunchtime tomorrow, so we're on the ship for about 24 hours straight. So since we left, we're obviously just been on the boat, and then tonight we'll be on the boat. so we're not leaving anytime soon, like I've just said. Anyway, I thought I would just quickly sort of show you a little bit around the room. Sorry about the mess, and maybe like just explain a few things. So every day, if you've never been on a cruise, well, this cruise at least, they give you like a little itinerary of what's going to be happening that day. Let me focus. So obviously here you've got the tour, and then like, you know, Palm Court is open for your favourite cocktail, so that's like a bar, and it's just got all these random things. So I missed out on the trivia quiz, but there's a trivia. And then tonight, Neil, the sort of cruise director, is doing like this Liars Club sort of thing. So I might film a little bit of that. My auntie's in it as well, so that should be quite entertaining. But yeah, so they give you like this daily sheet of activities. I haven't ever been on any other cruise, so I don't know what other cruise lines do. I'm sure they do similar things. Also, there's like a TV and an iPad as well that have the same things. So on here there's tons of different movies and stuff. Not tons of different movies, there's like a couple movies, you know. There's a few in there that I've heard of, but there's a few I haven't. I think you can connect your laptop up to the TV as well, and there's like TV and, you know, ship info. So I think later on I'll take you to dinner and the Liars Club show. Just realised I'm going to taste this, and I think it's going to be way too hot, so I think I'm just going to wait. For dinner we had lobster, finally. It was really, really yum. Probably one of my favourite dishes that I had on the cruise. And then we also had this really nice chocolatey mousse for dessert pudding.
And for the meal, you know, lobster is very famous tonight, lobster night, and also the beef tenderloin is very good. Beef tenderloin is sous vide.
I'm about to get another order. Would you also like some hamburger, please? Thank you.
Very bon appetit.
Thank you. Petite?
I don't really know how to cut it.
Yes, please. Thank you. That's up to everybody else. I'm good. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, get out of the way.
No, I'm like,
so there's an, oh, okay, so these jokes are based on the,
I have a Cabernet and a wine.
They are going to tell you the definitions of some unusual words you probably have not heard of before, and only one of them will be telling the truth. So your task is to decide who's telling the truth, all right?
Okay, titty nope. Actually, all the staff on Crystal deal with titty nope every day. I know, we apologize. So it's actually just like the dregs of your coffee or the leftover food, and you know, when you're done, because how many courses do we order and we don't eat every last little bit? So you could just in the future ask them to collect your titty nope.
It's short and simple. It's a medical term from Second World War for the babies that they don't want to eat. So basically it's titty nope.
So, and now Leah, tell us nice and loud, what does it mean?
Both very entertaining. It's as simple as it looks, and you won't find it in the dictionary. This is a term that psychologists use for men who have a fear of women's breasts.
So how would you so it's like a phobia when you're very worried and
so would
scared.
you be titty-nopic?
I'm going to finish the video off here. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more cruise vlogs, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.